Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our GA4 series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll see how to create custom events from GA4 Dashboard. So in the previous video, we have seen how to create a custom event using Google Tag Manager. In this video, we'll see how to create custom event without Google Tag Manager and how we can do it using GA4 Dashboard, you know. So without further ado, let's get started. So we'll be using this website. So I'm gonna go to the contact us page. So I have a form available here. So whenever a user submit this form, I'll get a thank you page URL, you know. So you can see over here. So I'm gonna copy this thank you page URL from here and I'll go to the analytics, and for setting up custom events in Google Analytics, I'm gonna go to the admin section. Then I'll click on events. Then I'm gonna click on create event button. Then I'll click on create. Okay. Then I'll name the event as generate lead. And we have three sections available here, like parameter, operator, and value. In the parameter section, I'm gonna enter page locations. Then in the operator section, I'm gonna choose contents, and from the value section, I'll paste the thank you page URL. Okay, you can see over here. So I'm gonna click on create. So you can see a custom event generate lead has been created. Okay, so we'll get the data in this section within 24 or 48 hours. Okay, so I have created this event using Google Tag Manager. That's why it is showing data. So if you create a custom event using Google Tag Manager, you don't need to create uh, this custom event in Google Analytics 4 dashboard as well, because uh, in Google Tag Manager, you are also sending data or leads, custom leads to Google Analytics 4, and its medium is Google Tag Manager. That means you don't need to create both custom event from the Google Analytics 4 dashboard and GTM uh, at a time, you know. So I would suggest you to create either a custom event from GA4 dashboard or using Google Tag Manager. Okay. So hopefully you have understood how to create a custom event using GA4 dashboard. Yeah, that's it for this video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.